We've all been here before, coming home from a hard day of work, rummaging through cabinets in the kitchen, but ultimately choosing an unhealthy option like ordering takeout or picking up fast food to serve for dinner for our families. However, making a few changes can help you and your family receive the proper nutrition you need while spending quality time with each other. Planning ahead meals for the week ensures your children get the healthy meals they need and allows dinner time to be more enjoyable. Pick a day, such as Sunday, to choose meals for the week and do any necessary grocery shopping. Have the entire family give input on different fruits or vegetables they would like to include.
Planning meals at home will allow you to incorporate healthy foods into each meal. It's important to remember to add different whole grains, colorful fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and dairy into these meals. Try to include your children in choosing and preparing these healthy items. Some easy ways to include these foods are to steam your vegetables in the microwave or stir-fry them on top of the stove with some olive oil. You can also slice up your fruits and add them to cereals and low-fat yogurt. Try to use whole wheat bread for bagged lunches and lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and fish. Including these foods in your meals at home provides essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that processed and fast foods do not.
In addition to healthy diets and family bonding, preparing meals at home can also save you money. Using leftovers is a great way to keep your family from wasting extra food. For example, saving pasta your family did not finish from dinner on a Tuesday can be used again on top of a salad for lunch on Wednesday. Don't be afraid to get creative with your leftovers.
Overall, planning meals at home, using a variety of healthy foods, and using your leftovers for future meals can save you valuable time and money and ensure you and your family stay strong, feel good, and perform well in school and everyday life.